Happy weekend. Really, the only person who's clean in this house is Athena. The rest of us are filthy. Okay, so together we're gonna build this stand for the bassinet. So you know we built. I see you. I see you.
I see you.
I see you.
I see you. I see you.
June, you're literally blocking the entire camera. Can you get up, please?
Okay.
This way.
No, I don't walk this way. I go down.
You can sit down here with me.
Okay. That's a bit something.
Athena, what is it?
I made taxi.
Hey, Jesus, Okay, okay.
You see it?
That's why we need to build this so we can put Athena in it.
Okay.
Okay.
I did the song. It's raining here. So loud. Oh no!
Okay, so let's read this. Important. Make sure when assembling the stand that the pre-drilled guide holes in each component are lined up and that the screws are located carefully into the holes before tightening them up. The uprights A and B should curve inwards towards each other with the larger recessed. Hey God, help me. What Almighty help me. June,
Huh?
we're gonna figure this out, okay?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
That is a great idea, Mommy.
I think it's a great idea too, my love.
Hey, I need a painting. Yeah. This is tending things. This is tending things.
Hmm?
Tending things.
Candy canes? These are too big to be candy canes. Come on.
This is twinkling. This is building. Sipping.
No, this is not where you skip, okay?
Sipping. Sipping.
My love, this is not where you skip.
I do it so. Oh no! Wait. Step. Jump. Step. Oh no! Sorry.
Why do you do that? Then say sorry. How about you don't do it at all? Hmm?
Let's see.
You didn't make it. You're making mommy. I will see, eh? Eh. Mm? Tipsy. You're the only one that I want when I got vibration.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Yeah, Jim.
Hi, Mommy. I need to sit across the bridge.
What?
Yeah, across the bridge. Oh, wow.
It's not a bridge. It's a bassinet stand.
Where is this? That's the building.
Yes, a bassinet stand.
Oh, no. It's raining. It's raining. Hopping. Hopping. I'm the big tired. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Oh, wow. I like jumping. Turn on. Oh, what's that? Look myself.
Okay, so these long ones, your pee-pee? Okay, good job. My love, you need to drink more water, okay? I need you to drink more water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's done. Done. It's done. Mommy, I made the building. I made my two.
Hmm?
I made the building. My two. Make the building. Make the two. Whoa! Okay. Mommy. This.
Whoa! Why are you doing that?
There you go, Mommy. Ew. Ew, ew. Ew, ew. Ew, ew. Ew, ew.
What are you doing? Are you trying to fight with the plant?
What is that? I thought. I thought.
Ginny, do we have any screwdrivers?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Can you help me bring that my headphones?
Okay.
Near the flower over there.
There's the flower.
Yeah. You see that metal, that iron?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Yes, can you help me bring it?
Yeah.
It's right there, you're touching it.
Oh, what?
You're touching it over there. Screwdriver.
Oh.
The screwdriver. Yes. Good job, my love. Good job. Can I get a kiss? You're the best big sister ever.
Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I found my screwdriver.
Huh? Yeah, you found the screwdriver. You made mommy so happy.
I'm happy.
Yeah, mommy's so happy now.
Mommy happy now.
Yeah.
This is so really happy. Thank you, Mama. Make a screwdriver. Oh yeah, it's so it is. No, I didn't bouncing. What then?
Junie, I'm just trying to screw this, okay? So, mm, can you let mommy screw it in peace?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
So it's a toy on the top. It's a screwdriver.
Screwdriver, yeah.
This is a toy.
June, mommy is working here. Please, can you take the box away? Thank you.
No, I did the button. Where's the box?
Okay. Figured that out.
What are you doing, Mommy?
I'm making a bassinet stand.
What?
No. This is not for play, okay?
Hey, this is teaching. This is teaching.
Yeah, it's not for play. It's for mommy's work, okay?
See, Mommy, children. They help you. They help you, Sissy. They help you.
Mm-mm.
These are the survivors. They help. Little puppy. Little, I help you. Little Mommy.
Thanks, June.
Little Mommy. There's the tool. Right there. And there is the tool. Under the supervisor. I get two. I get five. I do it. We help you. We help you. Yes, it. To help you. We help you. It makes it A, B, C's. Before F. Then I and F on the line. What's E for F? F.
Thanks, June.
I help you. Uh, put on the tea. On the wine.
We must construct this thing today.
Mommy.
Jenny, we got this, okay?
Okay, I'm for Peppa Pig's house. The down is white in the
That
bottom.
Peppa Pig's house is in your toy box.
No, I said in the room with the upbeat here on the down in the floor.
Yeah, you can get it. It's inside your toy box.
Where? Where my friends sit? Hey, that's where my friends.
Are you seriously kidding me right now? You're still trying to eat? Dina, bachakwala nyai. Bachakwala nyai.
Where's my? Not evil.
My gosh.
Not
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh, Reyes!
Oh my gosh. Oh. 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 Athena. Oh. Oh. You two they chop up. Every minute you go they suck on my breast. I tell you say make you quick make you chop up. But you they take your time, you know what make I walk up. Athena make you chop up, chop up. You they waste my time, my time. I don't like the way you they chop slow. Oh my gosh, June.
I did that on
June.
What, Mommy?
Why did you come here to destroy what I just screwed on?
Okay, I did the physics. I physics on my thing. It is with on my A. It has 15 broke down. I thought that broke down. Now it is the F. It's the A. Dot A. I want the square shape. I like the tunnel. The tunnel. What's the tape? There's a physics. Down on the road and back them. What's the button? I can make this. I make it on my physics, on my peanut, and the physics. Yeah. There's a building inside. The garden here. Ding, ding, ding. You go inside. You go inside. Okay. is up. Down the road, up.
Down in the jungle where nobody knows, there's a great big crocodile washing his clothes. With a rub-a-dub here, a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his clothes.
It's a bit scared.
You're a bit scared?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, it's gone.
What is gone?
Yay! It's done again. That's it. Done again. Wait.
Peppa Pig.
That's it, like a fly. The down, and the down in the book. The down. Let's try it, Peppa. Oh
You can use that one.
no. Okay.
Yeah, Mommy wants to use this one. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
I make the slide.
Okay, make slide with this one.
Okay.
Here. Wow, such a long slide. It's gonna be a nice slide for Peppa.
It's a nice slide in the Peppa.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it's two slides. And there's two slides. This is a make slide is cool. The slide is so cool. That's down. It's fun. It's just fun, Peppa. That's fun. Let's play then. You have to rock. Oh wow! That's on. Thank you. It's a beautiful ride. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hey,
It's
Jen.
a beautiful ride.
Yeah, it's a beautiful slide for Athena.
Wow, it's a beautiful ride.
Yes, it is.
It's made of rice. It's too small.
Hmm?
It's too small. It's too small.
Mm-hmm.
It's a small Peppa Pig. I make flight. It's so cool. And that's waste it. Whoa. Whoa. It's fun. Is it whited? Is that fun? Yeah, it's fun. It's so fun. I made the slide. Mommy. teeth.
Hmm?
And make the teeth. And make the teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Teeth and like it too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Why you vampire teeth?
You can put it here. Hey, on my nose.
Go play with your Pepe on the slide. Go, let me see you slide.
Wow. I think the face Peppa Pig. Where's Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig did racing. Mommy, I am going to fly. Yo.
No.
Let's go that way. I be hungry. I be hungry.
You're a bit hungry?
I come too full.
Is your tummy too full or you're a bit hungry? Which one?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
I want ratings.
Huh?
Ratings.
What?
Ratings?
Plantains?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Junie, are you like mommy now? You like plantains?
Yeah. I choose.
You love plantains?
Yeah. I choose.
I'm on you. I'm a say baby now you. I'm on you. What a ginger my life. I'm a send at you. Send at you. Ogikwa.
I just
What?
fly.
What? Careful, my love.
Mommy, that's fly.
There was a fly?
Yeah.
Oh no, was it a house fly?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Did it hurt you?
The balloon.
Balloon.
Oh, pop is balloon. Pop a balloon.
Pop goes the weasel.
Pop, 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 pop. Pop, bubble. Pop, pop. Pop the balloon.
Pop, pop, pop the balloon.
It's like the blue. Blue. It's a blue. I just blow my mouth. Blue! I blow the balloon with pink. Pink. Pink.
When I drink from your water, give me a cup. I just want to say, what? trying to steal your love. I'm guilty of. I don't even know if you're. Angry and yet dangerous. It don't matter no more. 'Cause your body's controlling me. It don't matter no. Yeah. And I know you see the same vision. Nobody can change how I believe. Nobody can change how I feel about you. I want to do you whatever you want. Freaky, freaky for you. Show me what you're into. Oh girl, you just did blow my mind. Ooh, your body did blow my mind, blow my mind. You. Oh my gosh, June. Michionogi. When I drink from your water, give me a hug. Yay! Yes, we can. Yes, we can. We can do it.
Mommy.
Yes, we can. We can do it.
Mommy.
Give it a try. We can do
Mommy,
it.
don't sing.
No, I'm gonna sing if I want. I'm gonna sing if I want. You don't control me. You don't control me.
You need to sing and stop singing.
I'm not gonna stop singing. I'm gonna sing on the top of my
Just
voice.
sing.
No, I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna sing. You can't control me. No, you can't, Junie. I'm gonna sing, yeah.
Hi, Mommy, don't sing.
No, I'm singing. I choose to sing.
I sing. Away!
How about you try to sing? Wanna sing?
Yeah.
What do you wanna sing? What song is your favorite song?
Asa.
Elsa.
Yeah.
Frozen?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing it.
Yeah.
Let it go, let it go. I can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Boom!
Oh, hey, it's in the castle.
Huh?
In the castle.
In the castle, yes, she was in the castle. Good job, you remember. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rain down. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Shut the door.
Yeah, shut the door. You're visualizing it.
At the center door, did you see the snowflakes?
Yeah, the snowflakes. Yes, you remember Frozen. That's my smart cat. I love you.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. What else you want to sing?
Hmm.
What else?
Hmm. Hmm.
What else do you want to sing, my love? It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fear that once controlled me can't capture me at all. It's time to see what I can do. I love your dancing, Junie. To test the limits and break through. No rights, no wrongs, no rules for me. I'm free. Go, Junie. Go, Junie. Let it go. Let it go. Underneath the sky. Let it go. Let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never.
I just singing.
Yeah, the cold never bothered me anyway.
I just make a ladder.
It's not a ladder. It's a bassinet stand.
Yeah, it's a basket stand.
Yes, it's a bassinet stand. It's a bassinet stand. It's a bassinet stand. You like my Grinch voice? Oh no, I made a mistake.
Don't worry. I made the flip. I found it. Wow, it's too big.
No, don't do that. You're gonna break it.
Just step on it.
No, my love, please don't step on it. My love, please. You come here. Come sit down with mommy.
Okay. Oh
Right
no,
here.
no, put it right here. I sit on buses. I sit on my buses.
Okay, you can sit on your boxes.
Okay. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, my love.
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 Thank you, Mommy.
You are absolutely welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Red. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. You don't know. You think you own any land you land on. The earth is...
Singing.
Oh gosh, I can sing if I want. The earth is just a dead thing you can
They're
claim.
singing.
Well, I know every rock and
They're
tree and
singing.
creature has a life, has a spirit,
Singing.
has a name.
They're singing.
You think the only
They're
people are people who behave
They're
like
singing.
you. But if you want the
They're
footsteps, June, you're gonna make me not practice my singing. Then when I go back on stage, I'll sound like a frog. But if you want the footsteps of a
They're
stranger,
singing.
you know things you never knew,
They're singing.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue
They're
pond?
singing.
gonna be sad if you stop mommy from singing. That's why mommy ran away from home.
I'm sad.
I'm sad because you stopped me. Why are you crying?
Oh no, it's Saturn. It's Saturn.
Hmm?
It's Saturn.
It's what?
It's Saturn. It's out.
Oh, you're stuck?
Yeah. It help you. Good. I help you. I help you. I made it. I help. Does it help you or does it help? Oh no, it's opening. It's opening. It's opening. Ah! I stepped on it. No. Oh no! I just felt it.
So why are you still stepping on it if you know you just fell down? Don't you learn from your mistakes?
No, I just hurt mine. Mommy, I hurt mine.
I'll kiss it better.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, June.
Thank you, Mommy. I hope you on my knee. Hear the buses. Hear the buses. Just hear the buses, Mommy. It's a
Have you?
little Mommy. Little Mommy. Little Mommy. Listen. I just listened.
You want me to open it for you?
Yeah. Yeah, I told you, Mommy. I did not open the can. I just see the glisten. Little Mommy. Little Mommy.
Okay, Junie, I've heard you. I'll open it for you.
Yeah. Okay. I've listened. I've listened.
Present time. Present time. Open the present, see what's inside.
Nothing what's inside.
What's inside?
Oh, what's inside? Look.
What's inside?
Oh, wow. Jimmy.
Whoa, it's a gift.
It's a
Wow. This gift is a surprise.
gift. Surprise. Thank you. Thank you. It's a papa. It's a birthday.
Oh, Junie, hope you like this as much as Mama liked her Korra's kitchen sign. Love you from Christy Porter. Christy Porter, thank you so much, Christy. Love you, Christy. We appreciate you. And I love my Korra's kitchen sign.
I love this present.
Yeah, present time. Present time. Open the present, see what's inside.
What's inside?
What's inside? Junie, this one's for you.
Thank you.
You ready to see what's inside?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
another Peppa Pig.
No, Peppa Pig. It's singing Peppa Pig.
Yeah, it's a singing Peppa Pig. Yeah.
It's cute.
So cute. Oh my gosh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ooh, Junie, you love this, huh? How many Peppa Pigs do you want?
Have one. Have one. Have singing Peppa Pig.
The singing Peppa Pig. This Peppa Pig has music on it.
It does have music on it.
Yeah, she's holding an ice cream.
This guy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Junie. It's Christy Porter that gave us. Say thank you, Christy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Christy. Thank you, Christy. We appreciate you. Mwah. Love you, Christy. Thank you, Christy. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. You really love Peppa Pig, June.
I like the rainbow.
You love the rainbow?
Yeah.
Rainbow, sunlight and reflection. Rainbow.
Peekaboo.
You love Peppa Pig.
Hey, that's another Peppa Pig.
June, your 3rd birthday, we're gonna have a Peppa Pig party.
Okay. A Peppa Pig party?
Because you love Peppa Pig.
Yeah, Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Jumping up and down and
Muddy paddles, splash, splash, splash. Yeah, sometime.
Hmm?
The nervous that is on it.
Muddy paddles.
Splash, 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 splash.
Good job. Wow, you love Peppa Pig. You love Peppa Pig. Raindrops, sunlight and reflection.
Hey, I did this on my phone. I did the Peppa Pig.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what he found? Peppa Pig. Nothing, no. Flies. Hey, nothing, no flashlight. The light is off. On the Peppa Pig. On the side. There's a Peppa Pig. And there's fun. Yeah. It's Peppa Pig. It's a Peppa Pig. The open. And the open. Wow! Peppa Pig now. A Peppa. Yeah, Peppa Pig now.
One more thing, here's the answer. Distraction.
Okay. I made the devil. Big boom.
Sun
Flying
in the sky.
flying, 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 flying.
Good job. Muddy paddles.
Fish rush, fish rush. It's a
Here comes the rainbow, the colors are blazing. If you want to see the rainbow, you got 3 things to make it. Rainbow needs the sunlight, sunlight, sunlight coming from the sky. One more thing, and here's the answer. And this fraction. Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? Who run this mother? Run this mother. Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who are we? What we run? The world. Who run this mother? Who are we? What do we run? That's weird. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh no. Have I done something wrong now?
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Oh, I want some more. Uh-oh, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to your heart tonight.
Okay. What is it? Oh, whoa. On the tunnel. Wow. So, undo it.
Oh man.
Mommy. I get out. I get out. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Okay, you're welcome. Can you get out now, please? Thank you.
No, no, no. It's mine. No, it's mine.
June, Mommy made a mistake.
Mommy, it's mine. No, it's mine. No, it's mine too. It's my toy. It's mine. 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 Mine.
My love. Please, please. Huh?
No, I didn't. I got it.
Huh.
Let's open a question. Hi, Mommy. I give you a present. I give you a present. I give you a present, Mommy.
Thank you. I don't want it. Can you get out of the phone, please? You're blocking the entire camera.
No.
June. Can you wait till mommy figures out the mistake she made, please?
No.
What do you want?
I just tried this one. Mommy, this one. Oh no, the butterfly is unusual. No.
June, why are you being like this?
No, it's mine.
I need to read it so I can set this up. Not actually believe this. I have to take these out and rotate them. Crazy. Oh gosh.
Okay. Yay, I did. It's ice slime on it. Ouchie. I hit my head. I hit my... I just hurt my toe. It's the same head, but... I just don't listen.
doing that. I don't know why you're doing that. Get out of here. Cry. Your crying doesn't make any sense. If you're crying because I did something bad, that'll be a different ballgame. I need you to always use your tears for constructive things. Not crying for no reason. You want to go grab your goldfish? Yeah, it's on top of there. Junior, remember you said you were gonna help mommy.
Don't worry.
But you're not helping mommy.
No, I did the pizza on my. I did the pepper pig.
How many things can I hold in one hand? How many things?
I this one.
Okay, go and open it by yourself.
Okay. I'm not opening. Yeah, I open it. Okay.
There you go. Bye bye.
Wow. I open it.
Bye bye, June. I've opened it for you. Go figure this out by yourself.
No.
I will beat you just June. I'll spank your butt. Do you want me to spank your butt?
I did the teeth.
Here.
Thank you. Thank you. did the popping thing.
You want to do the popping game?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see you pop.
Okay, popping. I didn't see the pop.
You're the one who's gonna pop, not mommy. Okay, so take it away from me.
No.
Whatever I start, I must finish. I must to finish it.
Oh no! I broke mine. Mommy, I can see. I know it's broken. No, Mommy.
What is it? June, what is it?
It's up at broken. Up at the broken. It's a peanut. Cute.
Whoa. The same shit. Are you kidding me right now? June, don't get out of here. Get out of here. This is not the time, June. Both of you crying at the same time. Wow. Sorry, June. Comments. Oh, I'll put some decent clothes on. You guys. Athena has grayish brown eyes. Okay, it's time for food. We're damn near close to finishing our riding for the bassinet. My muscles. Wanna say bye-bye? Show them your muscles. Bye.